Good morning all, I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 7 maths exercise 6b. Students, exercise 6b, find the product 3a square into 8a to the power 4. 3a square into 8a to the power 4. Solution, student. 3 into 8 24 and 8 to the power 2 and 4. 8 to the power 6 answer. Now student, question number 2 to 14 you can solve by self, and question of 15 just see here. Question number 15, minus 2 by 7 u to the power 4 b into minus 14 by 5 question number 15, minus 2 by 7 u to the power 4 into b in bracket closed, minus 14 by 5 u b to the power 3, it means b cube, minus 3 by 4 u square b cube. Solution, minus 2 by 7 u to the power 4 b into minus 14 by 5 u b cube into minus 3 by 4 u square b cube. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. So therefore minus 3 by 5 u 4 5 to 7 and b 1 3 1 4 3 7 answer. Now question number 18. Sorry, please. Multiplied minus 2 by 3 a square b by 6 by 5 a cube b square, and verify your result for a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So first of all we multiply 2 by 3 a square b into 6 by 5 a cube b square. We multiply it. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So minus 4, 2 2 is 4 by 5 a to the power 5, 2 and 3 5, b to the power 3 and b cube. This is answer of multiplication. Now verification. On putting the value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3, we verify. First of all, we write LHS part. 2 by 3 a square b into 6 by 5 a cube b square minus 4 by 5 a to the power 5 b cube. This is LHS part. Minus 2 by 3. Here the value of a is 2. So 2 to the power 2. And the value of b is 3 into 6 by 5 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 equal to minus 4 by 5 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 3. Now when we solve it, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. So 2 minus 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 8 into 3 to the 9 minus 4 by 5 into 32 into 27. 2 to the power 5, when solve it by solving, it comes to 32, and 3 to the power 3 is 27. 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 8 is 64, 64, and 64, and 9 is 27, 9 is the answer. 64 and 27, 64, 27, 2 4 is 8, 3 is 24, 2 4 is 8 just 64, 3 2 is 6, 6 9 is 54, 54 not 54, 54. 4 4 is 16 and 1, 4 6 is 24, 1 25, 1 4 6 is 24, 24, and 5 4 is 20, 24, 44, 1 45, in and 4, and 6 5 is 30 and 34. Again 3 4 5 6. Yes friends, 5 is here, so by 5. Again we multiply it in rough. 32 into 27. 7 2 is 14 in and 1, and 7 is 20, 1 2 2 is 4, 21 1 4, 25 and 1, 26, and 26 9 2, 3 2 is 6 to 8. By into 4, 4 is here, 4 4 is 16 and 1, 4 6 is 24, 1 25 in and 2, and 4 8 is 32 2 34. So minus 3 4 5 6 by 5. Here LHS is equal to RHS is verified, students. Now question number 20. Question 20. So yes. Find the value of 2.3 a to the power 5 b square into 1.2 a square b square when a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0.5. Yes, when we find the value only. 2.3 a5 b square into 1.2 a square b square. Solution. On putting the value. Students, you write the question from book. Question number 20 from book. Here A, the value of page 1 and value of page 1 and the value of b is equal to 0.5. On putting the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0.5, we get 2.3 into a to the power 5. First of all, we write question. A to the power 5 b square into 1.2 a square b square. Just here, friends. 2.3 into 1 to the power 5 into 0.5 whole square into 1.2 into 1 to the power 2 and 0.5 to the power 2. So finally, student, 2.3 into 1, 5 are 25, so 0.25 into 1.2 into 1 and 0.25. So we multiplied in rough. Suppose this is rough. 2.3 and 1.2. 2.3 and 1.2. 12 3 36. 3. 12 2 is 24. 3 27. 2.76. 2.76 and 25 is 625. So we multiplied 0.625. Student, the multiplication of 0.25 and 0.25 is 0.0625. .76 and 0.0625. 5 6 is 13 and 3. 5 7 is 35, 3 38 and 3. 5 2 is 10 3 13. 2 6 is 12 in and 1. 2 7 2 14 1 15 and 1. 2 2 is 4 1 5. 6 is 36 in and 3. 6 7 is 42 3 45 in and 4. 6 2 is 12 4 16. 0 0 0 and again 0 0 0. 8 to 10 and 1. 5 3 8. 1 9 6 15 and 1. 5 5 10 1 11 1 12 and 1. 6 1 7 and 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here decimal is situated here. So therefore student finally answer is 0.1725. Answer. Just we check the answer. 6B. 6B question number 20. 0.1725. Yes, 500. Now, this is rough. Now, question number 22. So here, find the products given below and in each case verify the result for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. Students, question number 22. 2 by 5 A square B into minus 15 B square AC into minus 1 by 2 C square. Solution. 2 by 5 A square B into minus 15 B square AC into minus 1 by 2 C square. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. 5 1 is 5, 5 is 15. So final answer is minus minus plus 3 A to the power 2, 3 A cube B 1 2 1 3 B cube and C cube. Now verification. On putting the value. On putting the value of A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. 2 by 5 a square b into minus 15 b square ac into minus 1 by 2 c square. This is LHS part, and RHS part is 3a cube, b cube and c cube. 2 by 5, the value of a is 1. 1 square, the value of b is 2. Minus 15, the value of b is 2 to the power 2. 2 square means 1 into 3. And the value of c is t square equal to 3 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. That 2 to the 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into minus plus 15 into 2 to the 4 into 3 into 3 to the 9 by 2 equal to 3 2 3 8 2 into 2 into 2 8 into 3 to the 9 3 is 27. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 15, and 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Finally, we write 2 into 3 into 4 into 3 into 9 equal to 3 into 8 into 27. Here 3 into 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8 and 3 9 is 27. 3 into 8 into 27. Students, you can see 3 into 8 into 27 in LHS side and 3 into 8 into 27 in RHS side. Just we solve it. 8 is at 24. This is 24 into 27. 7 4 is 28, 9 2. 7 is 14, 2 4 is 8. 6 4 8 and here also 6 4 8. So therefore LHS equal to RHS is verified. Watch video and take benefit. Time.